Hello everyone, I am back. So today we're going to talk about the brand new zx4rr, and I do want to talk about it, my overviews, my first impressions about the thing, my overview about it, and what do I expect from the future. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, the zx4rr is basically a 399cc inline 4 motor of a bike. So when I first heard about this, I was like, wow, it's just like the CBR250RR, not the disappointing newer one that they came out a little while ago. I meant like the OG one. That's the one I was talking about. And I was like really pumped, but then I was like, you know, this is going to be one of those things that's just not going to be for sale in the United States. So I was like, forgot about it. But then they were like, going to be sold in the US. I was like, what? Really? I was completely stoked for this thing. I was like, wow, this thing, really? This is great. I was so excited to like really just even think about it. So I'm like going through it and looking through it and everything. I was like, hold up, the specs on this are just crazy. So basically you have a bike that is a lot more technical advantage, or that has a lot more technology to it than the zx4rr. Literally. I was like, wow, that blew me away. There's no way I'm going to fit through there. That's what I was saying. Yeah, the specs of this thing is crazy. Well, I'm talking about, you got your he was saying something I didn't hear him. So you got all your technology advanced like any other sport bike out there. However, it's a bit more for 400. Let me see, you get quick shifter, which is, you know, very common thing. Electronic auto bodies is also very common. However, it has an auto blipper, which is shiftless downshifting, and the TSC display is completely new. Hell, you can even control the TSC industry or display with their phone. Must be nice. It's like, oh, come here, let's have a hug. You know, wish I would have had a hug like that by somebody. Realize how low you are. Anyways, but yeah, technology completely out of the mood from, you know, comparing to that zx4rr. You got let me see what else. Slipper clutch, fully adjustable suspension. Now I don't think it's KYB or Showa or anything like that, from at least the looks of it and what I read about it. It didn't say anything about any other brand, so I'm assuming this is Kawasaki's suspension they're setting up over and everything. Same thing with the brakes too. I think they're the I forgot what kind of brakes they are. Oh man, I got to my parking place, but I guess I can make a bit longer of a video. A little longer than I expected. However, I was looking through all the specs and everything, and you know, all this technology it has to offer. I was like, wow. And I look at down the price, it's like basically $10,000. And I was like, huh. Now, you may be realizing why I'm comparing this a lot to the zx4rr, and there's actually a good reason for that, as I'll explain. The zx4rr is basically its competitor. Well, sort of. And what's going on is that, you know, for almost the same price, you get more advanced technology that goes around it and everything. However, there is a cost. You know, it's not a 636 compared to a 400. I was like, weird. Why would Kawasaki make this bike? Well, I really thought long and hard about it, and I think I reached to a conclusion. I think either or is going to happen. Either one, they're going to discontinue the zx4rr. Chucker. But that's what I kind of been thinking, actually. Do I have good reasons? I believe I do. Yes. Is it possible? In my honest opinion, yes. Now, hear me out on this one. And let me tell you why I think so. Because obviously it's the same price, so you get a lot more technology and everything. And of course, another thing is that when it comes to the 600s and the 1000s, you know, just like what Yamaha did. Yamaha completely dropped off their R6 model down completely and just used the 1000, you know. And the reason is because, well, as a lot of you may know, is because of the power mode that they offer. Or another possible thing that can happen is that, you know, the zx4rr is just simply a limited run production. That's what I'm also going for as well. Either or can happen. I just don't know which one will happen. You know, who knows? It could have been parking. Yeah. But yeah, tell me what y'all think about the brand new zx4rr.